Hello everyone, myself Vijay Shikolat and I'm a part of Team German Express Body Shop. Today, we are going to talk about one Range Rover autobiography which was painted in an unprofessional way. This car was recently painted, but upon our inspection, it was clear that the work done on these panels didn't meet our high standards and from the technical standpoints. This superb job has unfortunately diminished the value of an expensive car. So, as an initial step, we have stripped down the paint from the panels so we can know the depth of the damage. During that, what we noticed is this panel, the rear right fender, was not done in a proper way. The dent was not pulled out properly. They have screwed it with an furniture screw and they pull out the dent, which was not 100% done. And they have filled, just to cover it up, they have filled it with a huge amount of body filler. And also we have noticed one more thing, on the door there was no damage, but to match it with the rear right side fender, put a huge amount of body filler on the door where the door was completely fine. So we are going to redo the job with proper procedures and professional craftsmanship. We filled the holes with aluminium welding with proper procedures. We have pulled out the dent on this panel and we have bring it back to its original shape. We strongly recommend to entrusting your car to a reputable body shop which upholds the high standards and quality. This ensures that your car receives the care which it deserves and maintain its value over time. Thank you.